Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I just got a package in the mail and I wanted to share it. It's from it's from Debbie Vignola, and oh my gosh, she sent me one of her beautiful notebooks. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is so cool. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Debbie. Look at this. Oh my God, look at this. Oh my goodness. She showed in one of her videos this faux leather, and I have to say I have some here that I made a long time ago, Debbie. That's so fun. Not long time ago, but I made some that is similar to yours. Oh my gosh, it's sticking to each other. But yours turned out so much better than mine. I think I need to, I don't know. I might have done something wrong to it, but yeah. But I love yours. It's so gorgeous. It feels wonderful. And look what's inside. Look, I mean, I love it, Debbie. Oh my gosh, there's some beautiful tags that she made on this belly band here. And then this beautiful paper that I'm not sure if she coffeed. Oh, I'm not even in frame. I'm sorry. Look at this. Look at this tag she put here. That is so cool. More tags with these gears, and they look like they're real metal gears, and look like she used some metallic paint or rub and buff or something. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I love this, Debbie. Thank you so much for sending. She had mentioned in her video if anybody wanted one of her notebooks, just let her know, email her. So I didn't think I was going to get it. I think, I don't know. I didn't think I was going to get it. So thank you so much, Debbie. This is beautiful. I love everything about this. So thanks everybody for watching. Thank you, Debbie, for my wonderful surprise. I'm back home, so I'm so glad that this did not sit in the rain because it's been raining all day today. So yeah, anyway, I'll be back with another video, guys, and have a great day. Bye.